Now it's 54%. 54% of miners use clean energy. So when are Bitcoin payments going to resume? And the thing is, it's a bit of a nothing burger anyway, because anybody who has Bitcoin and knows what it is, they won't part with it for a car or a piece of real estate. Some people may, but very few. So it's not really a big deal. And by the way, I'll be making a Tesla video later today. For those who care about Tesla, a lot of news. And tomorrow is D-Day, and I'm going to break it all down as well as some new price targets. So back to Bitcoin. Brazil's biggest bank with 60 million customers just opened up Bitcoin trading to all of their customers. That is extremely big news. And again, more adoption, which we like, which is great. And other crazy news too. The fourth union adds Bitcoin to their balance sheet. This Taunton Firefighters became the fourth union in the US to add Bitcoin on its balance sheet. And by the way, these firefighters are in a place called Massachusetts. Same place, run by Senator Warren, who is very anti-Bitcoin. Firefighters don't care. They're brave, and they want independence, and they want to survive the future. They want a life raft. And these people who expose themselves to risk every day understand that better than anybody. So again, if you are anti-crypto, if you are anti-Bitcoin, it's no longer a good look, okay? Waging a war against what everybody wants is not a good look. Speaking of Bitcoin, hedge funds, and other funds here, this is a great list from CB. All of the big players that are in Bitcoin. Now, there's some positives and negatives. First of all, some of the funds are very big household names, but others are also hedge funds which speculate. And that explains a lot of the action we saw last week. A lot of funds like $2 billion in Millennium. They're obviously doing the carry trade that we covered on DCA and last week as well. And that means they're not exactly like a pension fund that would buy and hold Bitcoin. Many of these will speculate on it, but it doesn't matter. We saw just what happened over the last few hours, that the macro matters. Soft CPI print, Bitcoin goes up $3,600. Are the hedge funds caught short? Maybe a few of them are. And that probably helped exacerbate the price action too. Let's get into a couple of charts, ladies and gentlemen. And again, thank you all for coming. First one is the story today.